party now.
Lights on, crowd loud, feel the ground shake. One drum hit, make the whole place wake. From the pitch to the upper stands, same rhythm running through our hands. No seat, everybody stand, wave your flag, let me see your hands. When the whistle fade away, Afrobeat take over the play.
Count it down, feel the heat, heartbeats marching with the beat. When we shout, when we sing, this sound bigger than anything. Oh, oh, oh.
We rise tonight,
Stadium Afro,
feel the fire ignite.
oh, oh, oh.
Sing it loud,
Stadium Afro,
move the crowd.
oh, oh, oh.
Side to side, when the drum hit we unify.
Oh, oh, oh.
Let it roll, Stadium Afro, lose control. Hey.
Lose control, hey. Lose control, hey.
Afrobeat, Afrobeat, hey, hey, all night, all night. Different teams, same celebration. Different cities, same vibration. When the bass drop, hear the roar. This is what we came here for. From kickoff to overtime, we don't stop, we multiply. Every voice a melody. This crowd is the harmony.
Hands up high, don't be shy. Let the echo touch the sky. If you feel it in your chest,
Shout it louder than the rest.
oh, oh, oh.
We rise tonight,
Stadium Afro,
feel the fire ignite.
oh, oh, oh.
Sing it loud,
Stadium Afro,
move the crowd.
oh, oh, oh.
Side to side, when the drum hit, we unify.
Oh, oh, oh.
Let it roll, Stadium Afro, lose control.
Hey,
Lose control. Lose control. Massive drum line, call and response chat. Bass drops with crowd pause. Long build, no rush. Africa started this motion. Now it's crossing every ocean. From the block to the biggest stage. Same heartbeat, different age. When the drums say answer me, a million voices agree. This not just a song we play, it's the moment we became. Crowd only. Stomp, stomp.
Afrobeat,
Hey.
oh, oh, oh.
Lift it high,
Stadium Afro,
touch the sky.
oh, oh, oh.
Sing it proud,
Stadium Afro,
shake the ground.
oh, oh, oh.
Worldwide, one sound, one tribe. Let it roll, Stadium Afro.
Go!
Hey.
Who's control? Afrobeat, hey. Who's control?
No sleep, Afrobeat pressure. Yeah. Yeah.
Lights flashing, speakers loud. DJ turn the place upside down. Sweat drip, bodies tight. Everybody here for the night. No story, no romance, just movement, pure dance. When the kick it, feel that way. Lose control, misbehave. No break, no slowing. Energy overflowing. If you're tired, step aside. Tonight we amplify. No sleep tonight, we go hard. Afrobeat, shaking the yard. Hands up, lose your mind. No sleep tonight, no sleep tonight. No sleep tonight, all gas. Bass hit heavy, don't relax. When the drums say one more time. No sleep tonight, no sleep tonight. Hey, hey, don't stop. Hey, hey, make it drop. Hey, hey, one more round. Afrobeat, run it down. Hey, hey, don't stop. Hey, hey, make it drop. Hey, hey, one more round. Afrobeat, run it down.
From Lagos club to Brooklyn floor, same sound make the system roar. London crowd bouncing, sing, no pause, don't blink. Brown skin, white tee, so whole room by they explode. This ain't chill, this attack. DJ never bring it back. No phone, no distraction, only bass reaction. If the night try shut the door, kick it open one.
No sleep tonight, we go hard. Afrobeat, shaking the yard. Hands up, lose your mind. No sleep tonight, no sleep tonight. No sleep tonight, all aggressive percussion.
Short vocal chops, build-ups and drops for DJs.
Africa built this fire, now the whole world desire. This sound don't come to play, it command you to stay. From underground to main stage, same race, same page. When the rhythm take control, no mercy on the floor. Slow it down, hold it, now reload.
No sleep tonight, reload. DJ push it overload. When the bass crack the sky. No sleep tonight, no sleep tonight. No sleep tonight, worldwide. Different cities unified. Till the morning, see the light. No sleep tonight, no sleep tonight.
No sleep, Afrobeat pressure.
On the avenue, every step brings me back to you. Crowd thins out, sound coasting, but the groove keeps pulling me in. We've been circling the truth, like the night knows what to do. If the beat slows, I stays fast. Try not to end it fast. No fear in the quiet now. We've said more without a sound. If the moment starts to bend, let it hold us till the end. Still moving when the lights fade, when the city turns to gray. Every echo knows our name. We don't need to be saved. Still moving when the lights fade, when the last song slips away. If the night won't let us go, we'll keep dancing slow. We'll keep dancing slow. Lock drum, breathing under skin. Every hit says stay within. Sweat dries up, smiles remain like the joy outlives the pain. DJ looping one last phrase. Time dissolves in tiny waves. If tomorrow comes too soon, let it wait outside this room. Let the sunrise take its time. We're still lost inside the rhyme. Even daylight feels delayed. When the rhythm wants to stay, when the speakers finally sleep, I still feel you in the beat. Still moving when the lights fade. Even silence wants to play. When the speakers finally sleep, I'll still feel you in the beat. Still moving when the lights fade. No regrets we need to say. If the memory's all we keep, it's enough, it's deep. It's enough, it's deep. If this moment learns to fly, I'll keep it in my mind. No ending, no relief, just the truth inside the beat. Still moving when the lights fade. Even shadows feel away. When the sound runs on the sea, painting gold on you and me. City slowing down its breath, like it knows what's coming next. Barefoot on the warm concrete, every lap sound incomplete, till the bassline start to roll, touching body, touching soul. No rush, no race, no fear, just your shadow drawing near. If this light begins to fade, let it fade the gentle way. Golden hour on my skin, feel the night begin again. Every color pulling in, every moment sinking in. Golden hour on my skin, let the slow dance pull us in. If the sun don't wanna stay, we'll keep glowing anyway. Palm trees dancing with the sound, log drums soft but holding ground. Your perfume in the air, mixed with salt and summer hair. Every smile moving slow, like the rhythm knows us both. If tomorrow wants a plan, tonight don't give a damn. No promises, no lies, just reflections in your eyes. If this feeling slips away, I'll replay it every day. Golden hour on my skin, let the magic pull me in. Every beat a quiet wind, every breath a memory in. Golden hour on my skin, if the dark is closing in, we'll be shining from within till the morning settles in. Golden hour, right here. If the night turns cold and white, hold this feeling deep inside. Every time the music plays, I'll be back in this phase. Hey, hey. Golden hour, golden hour on my skin. Still feels good, still feels real, not a dream, not pretend, just the way the daylight ends. Golden hour on my skin, if we never meet again, this rhythm will remember every touch, every ember. Golden hour, still going. Hold on, yeah. Hold on. Street lights blinking like they tired, same way my heart won't retire. We've been chasing something slow in the spaces we don't know. Your breath heavy on my neck, every move a quiet check, asking if we're still alive or just floating in the vibe. No countdown, no alarm, just a night wrapped around my arm. If this moment slips away, let it slip the gentle way. Between the last beat and dawn, that's where I want to stay. When the rhythm's almost gone, but the feeling wants to play. Between the last beat and dawn, no right, no wrong. If the night forgets to end, I'll be here till morning comes. I'm done. I'm done. Log down, whispering my name. Every hit feels soft, not the same. Sweat drying, bodies calm, like the storm already gone. DJ packing cables slow, like he knows we're not ready to go. If the silence starts to talk, I listen while we walk. Yeah. Let the city stretch and yawn. We still caught between the songs. Even daylight feels unsure when the night let go, moving on, still leaves you on my mind. Between the last beat and if this fades, it fades warm. I don't need a perfect end, just this loop we're dancing in. If tomorrow pulls me far, I'll keep where we are. No promise, no release, just the truth inside the beat. Between the last beat and even silence feels strong when the sound runs out of time. We're still holding on. Not yet. Till dawn. Every time you pull me closer, I forget why I should run. You say my name like it's a secret, like nobody else should know. Every touch feels like a question, every answer pulls me close. I tell myself I'm stronger, but your voice knows every crack. I don't fall, I don't surrender, but somehow I keep coming back. I read the signs, I feel the fire. I know the truth behind your smile. Still I stay a little longer, just to feel it for a while. You're close but dangerous, I know you're bad for my soul. You're close but dangerous, still I'm losing control. I should leave, I should run, but your love feels like a drug. You're close but dangerous, and I want you too much.
I don't promise you tomorrow, I don't lie about my flaws, I don't say I'm good for you, but you still want what we are. I see fear behind your eyes when I pull you to my side. And if you stay, don't blame the fall. We both know the price tonight. I don't force, I don't pretend, I just give you what you feel. If you want something real, don't come this close to me.
You're close but dangerous, I'm standing on the edge. You know it from the start, you're dancing with the risk. You're close but dangerous, too close, too close. You know it from the start, don't let go. Too close to midnight. If this hurts tomorrow, let me enjoy it tonight. If you're looking for safe, you chose the wrong side. I hate how you pull me when I'm trying to heal. I love how you know this is exactly what we feel. I don't call this love, but I don't call it a lie. It's just two broken hearts afraid of goodbye.
status. This don't change. Yeah, this is right. From the dust where the story began, heartbeat echo through the land. Old drums talking to the stars. We've been shining even in the dark. They try silence, we reply with sound. Every scar turned power now. From the village to the silver screen, this rhythm bigger than a dream. When the world says stay in line, we move forward out of time. If you feel it in your chest, that's the spirit, never rest. Rise of the Afro spirit. Hear the drum, don't fear it. From the roots to the sky we live. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Every step is historic. When the past and future meet, rise of the Afro spirit. Oh, 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 ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Gold in the skin, fire in the tone. Every beat say you're not alone. They hear the sound but don't know why. This music make the soul reply. No crown but we still reign. Turn the pain into champagne. From underground to world premiere. This moment been waiting years. No permission, no delay. It's our time, it's our day. If the ground start to shake, that's the future we awake. Rise of the Afro spirit. Hear the drum, don't fear it. From the roots to the sky we live. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Every step is historic. When the past and future meet, rise of the Afro spirit. Hey, oh, oh, ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Oh, ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Gawa drums they hearing, epic choir style pass. Low brasses, the bills like a trailer. Africa never left the room, just waited for the right tune. Now the curtains opening wide, and the world watching from the side. It's not just a song we play, it's a prophecy in sound wave. If you listening, you part of it. Welcome to the rise of it. Just drum, just breath. Every step feel like death. Eyes closed, feel the call. Standing tall before the fall. Rise of the Afro spirit. Turn it loud, let them hear it. From the ashes we uplift. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit.